Have you ever tried contacting your friends and telling them to come over at your house? Or perhaps inviting your classmate to use a certain app? What would you feel if you would earn $1 for every time you invite someone to use a certain app? Unimaginable, right? What if I told you that with this method that we are going to tell you, you are actually a step closer to earning big time just by inviting? Only this time, you would reach a wider audience, and rest assured, you would be able to secure your income. The thing is, you won't be contacting your friends, but an audience with reliable funds that would surely click your link and boost your income. Welcome back to the channel that teaches you how to earn money online in the most convenient way possible. This is Money Empire. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever we upload a new video. Our videos would help you earn money in the most convenient way possible. So make sure you stay tuned. Today, we will be showing you how to earn money by emailing the target audience and using a certain website using the link that you will be providing. This method is not known by many, but fear not, because we will serve as your guide in accomplishing this secret income tip. No fancy gadgets required and no technical skills needed. Just have your smartphone, tablet, or computer and following these steps, and you will earn a minimum of $1 every 20 seconds in no time. Don't worry, we will be discussing who your target audience are and how you would be able to reach them easily. You don't have to invest any money, but what you will earn will give you more than enough to pay your bills. For now, let's get that bank burping by proceeding straight into the video. The website that will help us earn today is Crowdfire. Upon opening the website, you will be greeted with the words Social Media Management Simplified. This website helps businesses and people with little to no time in managing their social accounts all in one place, which makes it very convenient. At the top of the page contains the home, features, upgrade, learning, and pricing. You do not need to be famous or have tons of followers to do this. However, we would not go into detail in this one since we will not be using it for social media management purposes. Here's what you are going to do. First, you would have to go at the top of the page and click on the affiliates or referral. Just like our past affiliate videos, we will be promoting this website. However, social media accounts are not needed to promote these. All you need is a Google account, and we will tell you why later in this video. After clicking the affiliate or referral button, you will be directed to this page. As you can see, it says refer and earn up to $420 for every customer. Imagine earning $420 for referring someone, which is just amazing. It's as if money is falling from trees. Here it says, invite anyone to join Crowdfire and we'll give you 35% of all payments they make in this first year. Basically, if someone who used your link in signing up spends money on Crowdfire, you acquire 35% from it, which is a fair amount considering all you did is invite them to use the website. This 35% could definitely pay your bills in no time. Another thing is, you're gonna earn it in cash, directly earning that 35% commission and as high as $420. Unlike other sites where you would do certain tasks and this gets converted into points, and it takes a lot of points to convert it to cash. So, with a website giving it in cash, it's definitely an advantage. Also, it's free to join. You can get started anytime, anywhere, and no investments needed. Basically, you don't need money to get started. It's a much lesser risk for you. It also has a quick payout and unlimited earnings. If you can invite at least 50 of the target audience and they all bought from Crowdfire, then imagine how much you can earn from 35% of their payment, and for referring it to them. You can continuously invite them to earn more. Lastly, the website gives a detailed information on how much you were able to earn. So, you don't have to be scared of scams, and it would be easier for you to organize and manage your finances. Now, how do we actually accomplish this? Go to the bottom of the page and you can see how it works. First, you would have to sign up. You may click on the Join Now button under the instruction, fill your details, and get your referral link. Next, you will be given a link. All you have to do is copy it. Upon clicking the link, people will be directed to Crowdfire, and if the one who used your link buys service from Crowdfire, then you get 35% of the payment. Isn't that exciting? Remember, earning is unlimited. The more you invite, the more people will spend in Crowdfire and the more you will earn. Perhaps you're curious how much you will get for every 35%. Let's go to pricing. As you can see, price varies from free plus for $7.48, premium for $37.48, and VIP for $74.98. Services may vary per package. It can also be annually or monthly. So you will get 35% depending on what the person who used your link availed. Upon signing up, you will be directed to dash.partnerstack.com. It contains the summary, your performance, referrals, and affiliate link. You will also see various websites and programs for affiliate offers. What you have to do is look for Crowdfire and click the Join program. Upon doing so, you will see your link will be able to copy it. Now, you may be having doubts as to how you can assure that the ones you invite will actually spend in Crowdfire. After our extensive research, we have the answer for that. We will help you get the audience that will surely buy from Crowdfire, especially for the VIP package. Do the math with how much you can earn if 15 people buy the VIP package. You can earn hundreds of dollars. Liking this video so far? Leave a comment down below. We would love to hear how helpful this has been for you. Your suggestions and recommendations would also be greatly appreciated. Now, this is where Google account comes in. You will need to go to your Gmail. Click Compose on the left side with the plus sign. Create a letter promoting the website. For example, good morning. Most companies are going through hectic schedule nowadays, and it is a challenge to manage your social media while doing all the job needed in your company. And after years of creating content and posting, I can say that Crowdfire has greatly helped me. Further discuss the advantages of Crowdfire in handling accounts. Lastly, you may want to end it by providing your affiliate link and providing a closing statement. After creating the email letter, search for top social media marketing companies on Google. Google will provide you with thousands of results for this one. One website that provides a lot of companies is Clutch, which is among the first ones that shows up when top social media marketing is searched. There are thousands of firms in this website, which is ideal since they will be able to manage their social media time at a cheap price, and you get money for it. Now, keep in mind that these are companies with much funds, so surely they will buy packages, especially expensive ones from Crowdfire. Upon clicking the firm, you can see the phrase "Visit website," and all you have to do is click it and you will be directed to the website of the firm. Look for the contact info and find your email. Copy and paste it on the recipients and send it out to other companies as well. And rest assured, you will get income even in your sleep in no time. And there you have it. That's it for today's video. We hope this has been a helpful tip for everyone out there looking for a convenient and hassle-free way to earn money. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you will be updated every time we upload. This will definitely not be the last time we help you earn money in the easiest way possible. So make sure to turn on that notification bell so you can stay tuned on our next video. Share this with your friends who also want to earn money in the comforts of their homes. If this has been helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like and comment down below to inform us how helpful this video is to you and how we can further improve in bringing information to you. See you in the next one!